trigonometry, step by step. Let's talk about how do you figure out what the formula is for sine, cosine, and tangent. Well, I'm going to just teach you something I learned in around the 9th or 10th grade from one of my teachers. He said to remember what the formula is for sine, cosine, and tangent. It's called SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. Now you may have your own acronym, but this is the one that I have remembered for decades. I still even remember my teacher explaining this. That's how much it's made a difference, and I've remembered it. So what does this mean? SOHCAHTOA. Sine, opposite hypotenuse. Cosine, adjacent hypotenuse. Tangent, opposite over adjacent. So how does that appear? Let me draw this little graph here. And I'll draw an angle. Call it theta. Okay. Angle theta here. So the sine of this angle is opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, so sine would be opposite over hypotenuse. So if this was, for example, like 1, let's call this 3, and this was 4, and using Pythagoras' theorem, that'd be 5. So this angle here would be, the sine of that would be 3 over 5, which would equal to 0.6. Okay, now what is the cosine of that angle? Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent is one next to it over hypotenuse. So 4 over 5. So the cosine is equal to, cosine of theta equals to 4 over 5, which equals to 0.8. Sine of theta equals to. All right, so now tangent of theta is opposite over adjacent. So that would be opposite over adjacent. So that would be tangent of theta equals to opposite over adjacent, which equals to 3 over 4, which equals to 0.75. Sorry, I can't fit that in there. All right, so there you have it. SOHCAHTOA, opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. All right, hope that's helpful. Hope this changes your experience with trigonometry. I learned this many, many decades ago, and I haven't forgot it. So if you already have your own acronym, great, but this acronym has stuck with me for that long, and it helped me through other math classes from then on, which then helped me learn how to do other things. All right. If you have a topic that you want an explanation about, you're having trouble with, just leave a comment, and I'll make a video about it. I'm just sharing some things that I picked up along the way in my education, and hopefully they're helpful to you. Math is fun, step by step.